Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the profile picture to your Banggood account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application, and after that you should tap on this account button down below, which is in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the profile picture and tap on the settings button on the right side of the screen at the top, and then click on account settings at the top of the screen and tap on profile photo, which is the first option. Here you have two options. You can either take a picture with your phone if you tap on the first button, or you can choose one from your library. If you select the first option, you should enable the app to have access to your camera and then take the photo. After that, click on use photo down below, and then it will be set as your profile picture, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.